back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. My name is Arapana, and on my channel you can find bougie on a budget videos, a lot of clothing hauls, styling videos, all sorts of things, including occasional motherhood content, things like that. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you guys did that. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. Before you know it, spring is going to be here, so I picked up some spring items from Amazon and I'm super excited to show you guys. A lot of these items were highly rated, so I'm really excited about that because these clothing items had thousands of reviews, like thousands and thousands of reviews, and they were mostly really good reviews. So before we get started, I want to give a shout out to Rose Forever. They are a luxury rose company that is based in New York. If you're from New York like me, then you're going to love them because the shipping will be super fast. So this is the beautiful arrangement they ended up sending me. Obsessed. Like, I don't know what else to say about it. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, look at this velvet container, absolutely gorgeous. They do have other colors you can choose from. So their roses come in either this round shape of different sizes, so they have smaller sizes, bigger sizes, or they come in a square shape as well. So they also have storage acrylic boxes with these beautiful exquisite roses in them as well, so you can use those boxes for storage as well, which is really nice. This is, I mean, look at this color. It's so pretty. These are what the roses look like. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I love these colors together. I think they work perfectly. So basically these roses will last you for one whole year, and they smell really good. They smell like perfume. Also, these are handcrafted by a rose artisan, and they only use natural oils to preserve these roses. I just love the presentation of this. It just looks so luxurious, so expensive, so high-end, and just really glamorous, but it has a Parisian style to it as well, which I really like. I think it's just lovely. So I will have all of their information linked down below in my description box, along with all of the Amazon items that I'm going to show you today. So go ahead, check the description box for links to everything, including Rose Forever. By the way, they were founded in 2019, so they're fairly new, but I mean, they look like they've been in the game a long time already. So now let's jump into the Amazon try-on haul, and I like to mention that I am 5 feet 4 inches tall. I do wear a large, extra large, and in numbers it's usually a 14, a size 14. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So this is the first outfit I wanted to start off the video with. Everything you can get from Amazon. This shirt is from Amazon. You would have seen something like this shirt in an old Amazon video I did a while ago in a short sleeve version in like the nude color. So I decided to pick it up in the white color because it's still a little bit chilly. This is a spring haul, so it's not going to be completely summer weather yet. So that's why I wanted to get some stuff in long sleeves as well. So I already knew I was going to love this top because I already liked the short sleeve version. This material on this top is really soft. I like how nice it feels on your skin. I like the little crisscross action here. I just love it. I think it's very flattering and it's cute and a little bit different. So I decided to pair the top with this skirt. I love the style of this skirt. I like this type of style in the springtime, in the summertime. I think it's just really cute. Last year Zara had something similar to this for like $60. This definitely nowhere near $60. Super affordable. I think it was actually like $17 or $18, and it comes in a bunch of different colors, just like this top does. This top comes in so many different colors, and like I mentioned, it also comes in a short sleeve version. And these sandals are probably something you have seen since last year. So I did purchase these last year from Steve Madden, but they are sold on Amazon, and they have different shades as well. So if you don't like this tan color, they have a clear one. I think they have a black one. I'm not 100% sure, but again, check those links. I really like this outfit. It's giving me like Greek goddess type of vibes. So I really like it. The material is like a soft, stretchy, slinky-ish type of material, and it also does have like a short lining on the inside. Honestly, I just really like the way it drapes. I think it's super flattering and I love this. It's not short. It's a really decent length. Again, I'm 5 feet 4 inches, and yeah, this is the first outfit. Now let's change into the other one. So next up are these bottoms. So I paired them with the same top and the same sandals as earlier. By the way, these sandals are super duper comfortable and they do run true to size. So because I have had them a year, I do highly recommend them. I don't know if you can tell, but they do have studs on them, so they definitely look like a I would say like a Valentino dupe because of the studs. So they're really pretty and they look really nice reflected in the light. So 10 out of 10, definitely recommend these. So yeah, back to these pants. These pants are a high-waisted style. These are by the brand Grace and Karen, which I have worked with before here on YouTube. I love them. Their clothing items are one of my favorites. Like, I just love their brand. Definitely check out those other videos. I will link them down below for you guys. None of these clothing items in the video were sponsored. Everything I did purchase with my own money because I really like the style of these items. So these pants are really comfortable. They're a lightweight material. They do have a pocket here, and as you can tell, they do have this tie front, which is adjustable, so you can tie it to your liking. And what I also really liked is the bottoms. I like how they have this like little bow that already came tied like that, so I just left it alone. So yeah, I really like that detail. I think it's super cute. Kind of makes it look like a jogger style. So these pants do come in a bunch of different colors, like a ton. There are so many options to choose from. If you don't like this color, I may have to get the black ones because, you know, black goes with everything. And I really like these because they have this like stretchy waistband, so I didn't have to worry about like buttons and zippers. And sometimes I feel like pants like that, buttons and zippers, are just so uncomfortable. So these are really comfortable, like lightweight, comfortable, perfect for warmer weather. And of course, I think the white top just pairs really nicely with it. And of course, you can always pair these bottoms with a different top. And the sandals, I'm telling you, you will not regret these sandals. Like, get them. So next up, we have this two-piece set, which I am obsessed with. Like, so pretty. So online it does look like it's a lighter tie-dye color. It looked like a light blue color, but when it came in this like brighter blue. But I'm actually not mad about it. I actually really like it. So first off, I really like this skirt because of the length. Again, I'm 5 feet 4 inches, so I like that it's actually like a maxi skirt and not a midi skirt. So I really like the length of this. This crop top is a little too cropped for my liking. It's pretty short, but honestly it really doesn't show that much because the skirt goes up pretty high, but of course you can like pull it down. So the front of the top is actually a little bit longer than the back. The back kind of rides up, and I feel like it's like showing all my rolls, all my back fat, and I don't like that. But you can easily layer this with a denim jacket, which I do have to show you. I will put it on in a second. Or you can actually switch out this crop top and put on the white top that I previously showed you. So because of the white in here, you can like pair this with another white top. But I do overall like the full two-piece look. I love it. So this set does come in other colors as well. They have a pink, I believe they have a green. So yeah, and it's a really nice and stretchy material. It's lightweight, it's not like a thick material, and I don't see anything through it. So yeah, highly recommend this one. Okay, so this is the jean jacket, which I love this jean jacket. It is so lightweight, stretchy, and comfortable. I love it. Like, honestly, like, I really like it. It looks really expensive, but of course it's not. Amazon clothing typically isn't that expensive. I mean, depending on what you're buying, but for the price, it looks more expensive than it is, in my opinion. I love the fit of this. I think the fit of this is really nice, and the fact that it's so comfortable, because you know jean jackets can be uncomfortable if they're like a stiffer denim. Because this is a lightweight denim, it just makes it really easy to wear and move around in, and it is very stretchy, and if I wanted to, I could button it closed, and it hits me at like the perfect the perfect length that I wanted. I do have another jean jacket, which I do really like. It's from a Walmart, but that's more of like an oversized look. And I just wanted something a little bit more form-fitting, so I'm really, really happy with this one. It does have a button there. Yeah, I love this one. I believe it comes in other colors as well. And I also forgot to mention to you guys that these earrings are also from Amazon. They came in a pack of like 8. There were so many other options in there. I will insert a picture of all the other options. I do highly recommend these. I think they look beautiful. They look so different and unique, and just they make a statement. They're like a statement earring, and if you love gold jewelry like I do, then I think you're going to like these. Some of them are a little bit heavier than the others. Some of them look heavy, but they're actually lightweight. I just love the look of them. I think they will go with so many outfits. I mean, I've had them on the whole entire video, and I feel like they go with every outfit. So, and for how many pairs of earrings came in that package, it was super affordable. So yeah, love these. Next up is this off-the-shoulder dress. This dress is so beautiful, but honestly, nothing beats a really pretty like white dress or white outfit in the spring or summertime. I love the look of that. So this one, as you can tell, is an off-the-shoulder dress. It's a very nice lightweight material, perfect for the warmer weather. I like the fact that the sleeve goes down a little bit longer. I love this like frill detail up here, really pretty. These are faux buttons, and I like the fact that this part here is adjustable, so I did cinch it into my waist a little bit. So I really like that detail. So depending on your style, you can loosen it out or you can like tighten it even more. I love the fact that it's a high-low dress, but it's not like super short, because I have seen so many high-low dresses where the low part is just like up here, and I just don't like it. I don't like that. So I do really like the fact that this one is like a midi high-low dress, like a midi maxi type of situation going on. It moves beautifully, and as you can see, it does have a lining on the inside, which is really nice, and it is a nice length. It's not like up here, it's down here, which is perfect. It gives you enough room to like move around in and not worry about it like riding up. And I love the bottom. I just like love the way it moves. I think it's super pretty. So it is a tiny bit long on me, like just an inch or two. So if I wear this with some heels, I will be good to go. So yeah, highly recommend this dress. Next up is a staple black dress. I just showed you a staple white dress for spring and summer, and you can never go wrong with the black dress. Like, you can always find room in your closet for a black dress because it is classic. So I really like this one because it is a lightweight material, so perfect again for the warmer weather. And I love this like detail here, this off the shoulder top. You can also put it up on your shoulder and wear it like that, but I personally like the off the shoulder look a little bit better because I like the way it kind of like flows. This dress comes in a bunch of colors. I just went with black because, again, safe option, and I like it. It's really comfortable. It does have pockets, which we all know is wonderful, and I like it because it does have a slit at the side. So it has a slit here, and then it also has a slit here, so it looks really pretty with the sandals as well. It is a tiny bit long on me, like as you can see there, so this is something I would need to wear with like a 1-inch, 2-inch heel, nothing crazy. It's really comfortable. Like, that's all I have to say, is it's really soft, it's really comfortable, it's breathable. The slit makes it look a little bit different, and you can't go wrong with having a good staple maxi dress in a solid black color or a solid white color, solid pink, nude, gray. Like, I'm telling you, this dress comes in so many colors. I do really think this is one of those staple pieces to keep in your closet, because just for those days you don't want to wear anything like tight or anything like you just want something loose on your body. This is perfect for those days. Like, I love wearing a maxi dress on days like I don't want to wear jeans or pants or joggers, or I don't really want to dress up, and all I have to do is throw on this dress and I look dressed up without even trying. Like, I literally just threw on this dress, you know what I'm saying? So this is perfect for those days, and you know you're going to be comfortable, you're not going to be constricted or anything like that. And because it's black, it's, you know, a little bit slimming. When I was working outside of the home, this is an outfit I would have 100% worn all the time, because I used to take the MTA. I live in New York, as you already know from the beginning of this video. So I used to take the subway, and the subway in the summertime does get cold. The AC does get really cold, and working in my offices used to make me cold, so I would just like easily throw on a denim jacket. If I got hot, I would just take it off, but most of the time I always had like a denim jacket on with my little maxi dress. I did move it up to my shoulders so I can get the jacket on comfortably, but yeah, this is like an outfit. If you knew me, you would have seen me in something like this like 1,000 times already. So we're on to the last outfit from this haul, and this again is another two-piece outfit, but this one is a little bit longer. As you can see, it's not as short as the other one. The other one I definitely felt was a little bit too short. This one is like pretty long in the back and the front, and of course, as you can tell, this is a high-waisted skirt, and this one moves really pretty. Like, you see how it moves? I love when the clothing items move like that. I think it's really, and I just like the way it looks. This one does come with pockets, another plus, pockets on both sides. This skirt also has a slit on both sides as well, so there's a slit there, there's a slit there. This one is a little bit on the more sheer side, so make sure you are wearing some like Spanx underneath this, or some boy shorts or something like that, because it is a little bit see-through, so keep that in mind. It also comes in other colors. This waistband is stretchy, so it does accommodate your waist. I do really like this. This top feels secure, so this is also stretchy as well. I think this is perfect if you're like at the beach. I think wearing your swimsuit underneath this would look really cute, and then you just take it off and you have your swimsuit on. Or if you're like by the pool and you just need something to like wear over your bathing suit, just like throw this little outfit on. I feel like it's also like a vacation outfit, I don't know. And again, of course, I have them paired with the same Steve Madden sandals. So yeah guys, that is pretty much the end of this Amazon haul. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know which item was your favorite. Also, don't forget to check out Rose Forever. Everything is linked down below as per usual, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.